Now, you have the characters, you have the objective, you have the data, you have the processes. Now, the most important part which we're going to come now, which is a prerequisite number 5, and that's what we call the analysis. When we talk about analysis, always remember one thing, don't overdo it. So less is more. When we talk about analysis, you need to evaluate what impact it has created in the organization, on the people. Was it a success? Was it a failure? How that success can be institutionalized, how that best practice can be institutionalized, what measures were actually taking, how it has actually made it possible, what were the challenges. So when we actually start thinking on these lines, you are improving the analysis for the reader so that that individual can jog his or her mind and bringing more substance on the table. Always remember guys, the case study should not be the end. The case study's purpose is to be a means to an end. Create a possibility, give an instrument and a literary instrument to the reader so that they can stimulate and they can bring new thoughts and they can bring new thoughts and evoke new thoughts to their mind as well. So point number 5, the prerequisite number 5, that's analysis. Think from multiple dimensions and think on the quotients of 5W and 1H.